Hi Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Guys, in case these readings don't resonate with you, please check out your other signs. Don't get disheartened, please. Sometimes our other placements, relate to us more. They resonate with us better than our sun signs. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, Aquarius, I feel that in the past, you guys went through a terrible ending. Now, it could be anything, a job, a person, a relationship. Probably you moved out of a home or you moved out of a city, a locality. Um, if this is not your story, then probably this is the person who ended things with you. It could be a Scorpio person who did not want to be in your uh, connection. They did not want to communicate with you. They did not want to be in a relationship with you, and they chose to move out. They chose to move on. But now um, they want to communicate. They're looking for an opportunity to communicate with you. Also, I feel whenever this communication comes into your life, it will be a very short lived one, Aquarius. Um, it could be a Cancer person as well who hurt you in the past and now wants to make things up. But beware of this because this person doesn't seem authentic. This person doesn't seem as though they mean what they say. They also don't uh, come across as very mature. They come across as very selfish. Actually, they're just looking at an opportunity to probably get back at you. Probably in the past, you guys had some kind of disagreement where they felt that you won. Now you may or may not have won, but that happened, and you have just moved on. You don't want to be in contact with this person. I also feel that this person wants to get back at you at any cost. Right now, you're not in the right state of mind, Aquarius. You are moving over things that are no more in your life, that do not serve you anymore. Probably loss of something, loss of people, loss of a job, loss of a relationship. There's a great possibility that you are crying over the loss of relationship with them, and even though you know they want to reach out to you, you're okay with being alone, you're okay with loving them but from afar. This person could be very authoritative, like they could be somebody who is like a my way or the highway kind of person who just believes in taking and not giving anything back. They like things to be done a certain way, they like it to be done the way they like it to be done the way they feel fit. But right now you're not seeing all that. You're like, fine, you did whatever you had to. Now let me be. You wanted to hurt me, you wanted to do it your way, you did it. Now let me deal with things my way because that's my healing, I need to take care of myself now. So you are taking time to rest, you're taking time to, rethink things, you're trying to contemplate on what went wrong, what happened, how it's affected you, and you want to improve as a person. And trust me, Aquarius, in the near future, um, you will get closure from this relationship. because you will feel really nice. I also feel that some of you could be pregnant, and probably this person couldn't take that responsibility and they left. And now you're left with a baby. So you were scared about that, you were disheartened, but seeing your, probably you're surrounded by a lot of good people, who are helping you out, who are trying to make you feel loved. Because at this point in time, um, if it's you who's pregnant, then um, I feel that, people are trying to make an effort to make you feel loved and accepted. Um, But in the near future, you will feel really good. You'll feel very empowered. And there's a possibility that your mother's playing a major role in your life. Your parents collectively are supporting you and are making you feel on top of the world. This person now realizes and regrets leaving you because now they know what they left. They left a beautiful Nine of Cups energy for nothing. They could have had a beautiful family with you, their child, you. I don't know why, but I feel that this person you were involved with could have been married and you didn't know about it, and you guys got involved, and it all ended up this way. But I feel that you will move on, Aquarius. You won't stop for this person, you won't wait for them now. Because now you know that there is a big responsibility on your shoulders, and if a loser face doesn't want to accept their responsibility after doing whatever they had to, I don't think you need them in your life, Aquarius. But they will come back, they will reach out, and they're going to apologize for their mistakes. I feel that now you know what you want and you're going after it, Aquarius. And this is great because God knows you deserve it. While the other person that you were involved with is confused, they don't know what to concentrate on. They want to, pay attention to money, their family, you. And if not now, probably that's the reason why they left, because there were just too many things that were trying to, take his attention away from you. Expect powerful change. What do you need to release? Look at the bigger picture. You've got one full moon and new moon in eclipse, which is great. I love this energy. You've got success card over here. Whatever you plan to do, in whichever direction you want to take your life, you're going to come across success, and just know that life is amazing, life is beautiful, and you've got this, Aquarius. You've got this. I hope you guys take care of yourself, and thank you for watching. Bye.